Alrighty, episode 21 should be a go. How's it going? Happy Wednesday. It's very rainy today.
Happy Wednesday. Yeah, definitely rainy today. Little grommy, gloomy and gray. So grommy.
hmm
Um, little tired today, so that's all right. It's life. You have ups and downs.
I've been
So
weeding all day today. I just been going outside picking up the little guys as they sprout up.
no in the rain.
Oh no, we had a 30-minute period of no rain, and I am such a good neighbor that my neighbors got some massive honkers of weeds, and I was like, you know what, the soil is soft. Let's get this. So
Yep.
I was cool about it today. That's my
Yeah,
karmic duty.
you're actually right. Yeah, it's easier when the rains do come to go weeding because roots aren't as deep.
I don't know anything about my neighbors too, so I always have it in the back of my head like they're gonna be like, God, who's this
Oh,
fucking?
really? You don't
Yeah, I
even
don't.
know your neighbors?
I have made eye contact with one of them one time, and I wanted to say hi, but too much time of silence went by, so I was too scared to make because
Oh,
it was like too awkward now if I waited if I was like, oh hey, and I've had like 25 conversations with my other neighbor, but every time he introduces himself, and I'm like, dude, I'm your fucking neighbor, dude. I know, like.
that's hilarious.
All
So
right.
good.
So that's the story of my living situation right now in the neighborhood.
So 6 months from now, when this hits 1 million views a day, your neighbor's gonna come here and they're gonna see this one and they're gonna be like, "Oh, that's my neighbor."
I love it. I would love for that to happen so he'd finally remember who I am. I would love for that to happen. Yeah. Every time he reintroduces himself, and I'm like, yeah. And then the last few times I just started reintroducing myself every time. Now I'm just fucking around with him.
And this guy's probably like, "Yeah, I know who you are. You're my neighbor."
That was like times 5 through 10, times 10 through 20. I'm like, oh, nice to meet you, dude. I'm Clay.
That's too funny. It's so good.
All right, cool. Well, episode
With that
21,
in
we made
mind,
it.
yep. What are we working on today?
Dialogue. We are finally circling around to. I don't know. I would actually say this might be the. It's clearly not the last piece that needs to get done, but it's the part that makes it so
Pretty
now
close to
this is
it.
a game. I
Yeah.
don't know if you disagree with that concept. Yeah.
I think we have to do the skill implementation stuff.
Mm,
That's going to
mm.
be important.
Yeah.
I think there's obviously a bunch of usability bugs and whatnot
Yes.
that we have to work through,
Yes.
but yeah, this would be a major piece for sure.
Cool.
We have to actually create quests. That's going to be a major piece as well.
Mm-hmm.
But otherwise, yeah, I think we're pretty good. That's a good thing that we need to actually talk about on the GC tool is Quest Creator. We don't have that anywhere.
I was thinking about that same thing. This almost ties in with what we decide today with how a lot
Yep,
of it will go because while we create dialogue, it doesn't necessarily create a quest. So
correct.
I think that's a big question mark today. Is I guess we'll just hop right into it, but I think there's a big
Yep.
question mark of how it all ties together so that it can be like this cohesive thing, basically. Cool.
Wow, I just now got the YouTube notification. That was a long time coming.
I know. I presumed that everything was fine because on OBS I could click around and I could see that we were live. But I was like, I'm gonna act with confidence and just know that it's gonna be
Too
fine.
long time. Yeah, let's do some dialogue and see if it can maybe we can talk a little bit about quests as well
Mhm.
and how we want to implement that.
So for
So,
me,
yeah,
I still think it's a sticking point to me. The data shape that we have for dialogue, I still don't
yeah,
really believe it should be an array, and it comes out weirdly on the God creation tool too because it's like looking at it all weird, right? There's no tie-ins. So I would love to talk to Claude about what would
yep,
be like the ideal shape.
let's do that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually just going to use Claude directly. I'm not going to do it through Cursor. Maybe we could have a little dialogue with Claude here.
Makes sense.
Um, hey, Claude. So I don't know if you have any context from the past about the MMORPG that we're creating, but if you could go and look, we are at the point where we want to add dialogue to our NPCs and have them tie in with quests as well. Currently, the shape of our data is an NPC dialogue is nothing more than an array with a series of statements that you can go between. should we convert to using a more formalized tree structure or something more complicated, especially as we want this extending out into quests and tying between quests and dialogue and raids and dialogue, et cetera, et cetera. Here's the existing structure of our NPCs and dialogue.
Cool.
Anything else on that?
No, I think I'm good to go with this one.
Okay.
And are you on a paid Claude right now, or just a normal Claude?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Well, if you get the CLI tool, then it can read through the repo as well in case you feel like that would be good context. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I did notice it's using Sonnet, not Opus.
Mm-hmm. Have you noticed any big differences between the two for this kind of like
Not
architecting?
for discussions. Yeah, for discussions, I think Sonnet is better. And by the way, yeah, this is asking me exactly what you're talking about, so I can just install this.
Cool. Damn, Claude.
Actually,
Anthropic should give me some bonus referrals for that one, dude.
I know.
It's already throwing it up. Cool. I'm glad it agrees it should be this object. Cool.
You actually need a dialogue graph with. So let me scroll up here a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Good context. Okay, you can see the history. Blah 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 blah. Index node graph. It works, but it's some real limitations. Yeah. Scale. Yeah. No conditions, no actions, which we talk about. No quest awareness. Yeah. That's interesting. I didn't even think about that. Rather than a tree, which implies one parent per node, you want a directed graph. Okay. Node greeting. Nodes, no greeting. Drop and give me 20, blah, blah, blah. Responses, blah, 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 blah. Conditions. If type quest status, blah, blah, blah. Okay. This is kind of what we were talking about before.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Wow, I've also never used a graph before in real life. Pretty cool. This makes sense to me though, because you're basically creating these nodes that you keep pointing to depending on the thing. So not a tree, but a graph. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, this is the other thing is like we talked a little bit about this flagging here. Like,
yeah. It seemed to have nailed a lot of the considerations pretty quick.
Yeah, exactly right. Since you're storing dialogue as JSON blob in the character right now, this structure drops in as a direct replacement. Same column, richer shape. Long term, you may want dialogue in a separate table.
Uh-huh. Yeah, because this was already pretty large of a JSON that I was noticing.
So I'm thinking maybe we should have like a character dialogue or some sort of maybe just separate dialogue.
Yeah.
Because I want the ability to have dialogue not only on characters, but also on objects or things of that nature. So like you read a book and you could have dialogue, or you have a smart sword, like an intelligent sword, and you could have dialogue.
Or you come up on a tombstone and it has some text or some shit like that. Yeah.
That's right.
I understand. Like a notable item, basically, of sorts. Okay.
Dialog tree library, unless you need branching logic within a single tree. The graph with conditions and actions pattern above is what EverQuest, WoW, and most modern MMOs use under the hood.
Okay. Do you remember? Do you remember what Dawn of the Dragons did for this kind of structure?
We didn't have dialogue.
Okay, got it.
You didn't interact with NPCs. It was story driven. Mm-hmm. But there was no back and forth between characters.
Mm-hmm. Got it. Okay, got it. Well, I knew it needs to be a JSON. I'm glad we're moving off of the array. I had no idea we'd be using a graph. This is the first time I've ever, in any capacity, needed to use a graph. That wasn't an algorithm interview question. Cool.
I do want Claude to do this.
Mm-hmm.
I think I want Claude to do both of these. Want me to help you draft the condition action evaluator in your backend? Yes. Or sketch out how a full quest object would tie into this dialogue shape? Yes. Right? We want him to do both?
Well, one quick thing is right now you're doing it straight into the browser. It won't have context for the repo. Do you want to download the CLI tool, or is there a way? I don't know. I don't know if Anthropic's done it, or now you can have your repo be in the browser or some shit like that. But
Well, what I was going to do is I was just going to
mhm.
copy. I was going to have it basically give me the end result,
Mhm.
and then we'll take that and put it back into Cursor and
Okay.
create the files.
How about then we just say I'm gonna be doing this in Cursor. Give it to me, however, for planning mode in Cursor, probably.
Yep.
Cool. Awesome.
Uh, let's see here. Oh, come on. For what it's worth, I'm going to be doing this in plan mode in Cursor. That being said, yes, I want you to help me draft the condition action evaluator in the backend, and I want you to sketch out how a full object quest object would tie into this dialog shape. Help me draft the condition action evaluator in the backend. Condition action evaluator in the backend. Once you sketch out how a full object, yeah, I knew I fumbled over that. How a quest object would tie into this dialog shape. Sure. Yeah, generally speaking, I'll use Opus for deep like code generation or anything that really needs scientific things. But on general everyday conversation, Sonnet is my go-to.
Okay.
Also, if you notice, I'm not drinking from my bottle today.
I didn't notice yet. What were you drinking from? You're going
I'm
back on
drinking
the
the
Zero
old
Sugar Boys?
the sparkling ice. Yep. That's because my water is actually empty. I drank it all already.
Nice, dude. You crushed it already
Yep.
before 5 o'clock. Excellent.
I did install. I thought I installed this desktop app. Go. Yeah. It's simply. Oh, I see.
Or is it
I mean,
this? I don't. I've never
it
used the
just wants me to
desktop. I've never used the desktop tool before. I've been only using the CLI, so I wonder how that one. I'm sure it works exactly the same. I just wonder how it looks.
Yeah, that's what I've been using mostly. I use the desktop app because it has both. Well, it has all three of chat, co-work, and code in it.
Cool. I see. Basically the
You can
browser,
just
but
switch
thrown
between
down. I
them.
get it. Cool. Cool.
Yeah, you can just switch between them.
Yeah. Cool.
Let me. Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. Let's do. Hold on a second. Something's going on here. It's asking me. I was going to. Was not going to do this, but I'll do it since we're doing this anyway. I was going to install it off screen
Mm-hmm.
or offline.
Sure.
I'll do it right now.
Yeah. No worries.
They. I don't know if you use Claude Code at all, but they did
Mm-hmm.
an April Fool's thing today.
What they do?
They added a little buddy. So if you type /buddy and you get this like, you know how there's like the regular little creature or whatever it is on
Yes.
Claude Code?
Yes.
It's a replacement with one of, I don't know, 50, 60 different creatures, and they all have different stats,
Oh,
like
cool.
a debugging score or like a patience score. I forget what it is,
That's
but
pretty fun. Yeah.
yeah, it's like a mini game. And so I installed Buddy today, and I got the penguin, who's apparently super critical of bugs and whatnot.
I
So
wonder if if they'll keep that around beyond today, or if it's just a 1 day only thing. We'll see.
apparently it was a 1 day only thing,
Got
but
it.
I gotta imagine with the response. Oh, interesting. Hmm. Claude wants access to my camera. I've never actually had Claude access my camera before.
That's creepy. Please say no.
I did say no. I absolutely said no. Yeah. Let's see here. So yeah, well, I'll do this another time. I don't want to use the desktop app just yet. So we'll paste all this into Cursor.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, let me first of all, let me. Sorry, I have stuff going on off screen.
Mm-hmm. No worries. You're good.
And I want to. What's going on here? This is C projects. No. Huh. I see. Wonder if I should. So I had the desktop app running on my other screen, but since I've already started asking it here, wonder if chat. Yeah, the chat here doesn't have knowledge of the browser chat over here for some reason.
Okay. Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, I mean that checks out to me. Just two different places. Yeah.
But it's the same account, so it should know.
You want it to.
This is true. I do want it
Yeah.
to. Oh, and this is in Python, so this is kind of a problem.
Right. I think we kind of need to start over slightly, probably, just to give it the context back so it knows the repo.
Yeah. Not sure the best way to go from here.
I think it's worth starting over.
I don't want to use the desktop app though for reasons, so we can maybe use the CLI.
Mm-hmm.
I have not installed the CLI, so maybe I can do it from in here though.
Yeah.
Install the cloud CLI. And then we can maybe try that.
Mm-hmm.
See, but this is just going to install my own stuff again.
What do you mean? I'm sorry.
It's just going to install the desktop app.
This is gonna install a CLI tool, and then you open up terminal to fire it up.
Yeah, but I'm saying that this will. Well, let's walk through it because I think I'm confused. Because this right now, as it's saying it, it's going to install what I just installed.
It's going to be another thing, a different app.
Okay, so let's walk through this then.
Sure. So if you have a terminal that you can open up, you just plop that in, and then you run Claude, and you'll get a different instance. But you want to run Claude from within the repo. Mm-hmm.
I mean, I can do it in an admin terminal.
Absolutely.
Yeah, let me start up as an admin here. What the heck? I'm gonna run it as an admin here. Yes. Oh, there's a little. What the hell? Sorry, there's a little bug on me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So where do you want me to do?
Even just in the terminal that's open on cursor down there, I would just plop that that install line there. Just plop it in. It's like the npm something. Yeah, that npm. Yep, that guy. Plop them in. Maybe it'll be mad about admin privileges. Looks like it's good. Now you run Claude. Just say Cloud.
Yeah.
And there you go. So, I've only done it. This is kind of weird. I've never seen this before.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. It was just, yeah. So now you can pick dark mode. You just click enter. Cloud account with subscription. Yep. And now you gotta go log in. You can pull that off screen probably. Yep. And then from there, it'll have access to our repo. I do like Claude Code a lot. CLI especially. I just hate how expensive these motherfuckers charge for their services.
It's interesting. I didn't even have to log in. It said that I was connected.
Probably because you were already logged in, so it just went straight through. Cool. There you go. Cloud. Yeah. Coding experience. Enable recommended settings for your terminal. I guess that's cool to use recommended. I don't see any reason. Yep. All right. So I remember. I think you press down on the arrow keys to go to plan. Yeah, you're gonna do buddy. I haven't seen it yet. What'd you get? Pebble. Oh, common penguino.
I know.
How do I re-roll?
I don't think I want.
I hit
Maybe?
allow on this one, but you don't have to.
So yeah, anyway, like really good at debugging apparently, but really low at patience
That's
and
really
chaos.
funny. That's
Yeah.
funny. I like that. I like this little hit of dopamine they gave you.
And what happens is while you're coding, it'll chirp and it'll say different things. So it's like a little side NPC talking to you while you're coding.
Yeah, cool. Before you start on anything, let's convert our cursor rules into Claude rules for Claude, basically. So I think you just hit enter, I would guess, to start talking. There you go, cool. And I think you can go down arrow key to go into plan mode. I think it's down arrow. I can't remember 100%.
It switches between that and Pebble.
Oh, okay. Then there's something where the I forgot what it's called, but the forward arrow thing where you type. There's something where you can keep doing in the plan. Maybe it's /plan. I don't even know. Yeah, cool. So now you could write, I have an @cursor. I think it's called @.cursor is what I would write. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there you go. I need this to be Claude code, like, rules. Hopefully you get what I'm putting down, yeah.
I don't know. Make that happen.
Looks good to me. Now, this is the conversation I've had with a lot of people, and I want to get your opinion on. It always does cute little shit like nucleating, or it'll say like combobulating.
I know.
Yeah, I hate it. I'm always like, don't add cheeky shit into my professional tools.
You're trying to have so much personality, and it's distracting.
You're a calculator. Act like a calculator.
Just say thinking. Yeah, I know. I'm the same way.
Shit, I'm hoping it doesn't delete the cursor rules and just adds its own Claude folder. That's what I'm now worried about.
I would assume so, because there'd be a different folder entirely, right? It can't read from .cursor rules.
I hope. AI is dumb.
I was thinking about that as I was typing. I was thinking maybe I should explain, do not replace the rules, make a copy of it. I'm not sure if I like this. Just sitting here doing nothing.
It's just not giving you more. It doesn't give you, like, it's not like cursor where it'll kind of spit out more about what it's going through. So we just kind of sit here. Yeah. So any reason you wanted to make more of a switch over to Claude or anything like that?
A couple of reasons. One, just kind of what you've been saying recently about cursor as ass and whatnot. And a lot of people that I know are using Claude Code for pretty much all of their development. Also, some of the articles that I've been sending you about the teams and swarms, and I just want to try to explore those a little bit more and use them and see what results we get.
Sure.
I think it's a little bit more powerful in Claude Code than in Cursor. I'm sure there's a way to do it in Cursor. I just don't know.
There might even be a way where we spit in every single issue that we've created in linear and just say go cook, and we just go play
That's
video
right.
games for a little while.
That's right. No, that's
Yeah, no,
exactly
I get
right.
it, I get it, and it won't have conflicts because yeah, I totally follow. And this is where I
That's why
start
I
slamming
wanna.
yes, auto accept edits. That's the bad
Yeah,
part.
that's what I was gonna do.
Like,
Yeah, yeah,
no, no, but
yeah.
I
It's creating
saw I
new.
saw the whole you got 20 agents sprinting around, not conflicting
Yeah,
with each other. I looked more into that. Apparently, it works pretty cool, but it's apparently pretty expensive.
and
Cool,
yeah,
nice.
yeah,
Thanks for making that assumption, Claude.
yeah. I don't actually know which model it's using for this. I don't know if I can select a model here.
You definitely can, and I don't know how. Let me see if I can try.
If I do Shift Tab, what will actually happen here? It says accept edits on Shift plus Tab to cycle. Oh, so this is your rule that you created, right?
Yes, and if you want to change the model, it's slash model.
Flash model, okay.
It's funny. I just fired up Claude. I'm not paying for it anymore. I love it, but I'm not paying for it right now. And the last thing I wrote is stop asking me things. Just do it.
That's funny. Pebble's not saying very much. Pebble's supposed to be saying stuff, but apparently Pebble's bored.
What is this exactly?
But it didn't do all of the rules though. It's making one big Claude MD file rather than individual rule files.
I saw that as well. Um, there is a new paradigm where they do individual files, but this is the older paradigm where it has just one rule set. So maybe we can be like, hey, don't you have like a new rule set concept? But not 100% sure.
So on the back end, oh crap. That doesn't, I guess I'm not sure the best way to, because it almost looked, I don't know which one of these rules applies to this MD file, how it figured that out.
Can you restate that for me?
So you have all of these MDCs, right? You have all these rule files.
For cursor, yep.
So how do I know this Claude MD file, which is in the back end, which ones of these made it into this?
A good question. I'm not sure. I would presume that it looked through and just made individual files. It turned all 12 of those files into like individual files for just this is my guess. So friend accessibility, does it have, so it has, see, it just turned all the ones that it thought it needed into one. Yeah.
So do you want me to change this or leave it the way it is?
I say it's worth asking it like, hey, don't you have a pattern where there's just individual files instead of one individual claude.md file? Maybe ask it that.
Instead, one big MD file. The Claude.md file. Frolicking.
Yep. I've seen other. There's so many. There's so many.
Yeah, there was one that I can't even pronounce this earlier today. Ay, 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 ay,
Yeah, I don't
ay,
know
ay,
what it is.
ay.
There's something about like if you're going to surgery and your surgeon's like, "Hey, I'm just gonna frolic around here a little bit." I'd be like, "Can you not use such whimsical words?" Like,
Yeah, and yeah, it is using Sonnet 4.6.
I guess
Yeah,
sure,
please.
yeah, yes, and always
Why would
allow,
it?
yeah.
Why would it want to be editing Claude rules
It
though?
should be creating it, which is good.
Yeah,
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 I
yeah,
think that's probably what it meant when it as an
yeah, yeah,
edit.
yeah, yeah. This is right. We wanted to
Mm-hmm.
do that.
Yep. Now it's getting cooked. But now, did it just add in a bunch of random files that we gotta get rid of? Like,
No,
god damn it.
well, there's nothing so far.
Yep. Oh god,
I
it's
mean,
gonna
this is,
slow.
I assume, the same as cursor,
I
right?
would hope it's nearly 1 to 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just .mds and not .mdcs.
I'm just gonna yes and allow Claude
I
to
would
edit its own
agree.
settings
I would
instead.
agree. Yeah. It's gonna ask you a bunch more times, I bet.
Yeah.
I just rolled a ghost. I rolled Cromit or Crumpet. I can't see him.
Was it a common?
Crumpet.
Uncommon?
Crumpet. It was a common.
Okay.
No one pulled any mythics today.
Someone did at work. They did a rare.
What'd they get? They didn't. You know what it was?
I can't remember off the top of my head.
Okay, cool. That's funny.
I think it was an octopus. It was a rare octopus.
Ooh, that's fancy.
Yeah. Yep. It comes up as purple colored.
Ooh, I'm gonna see all the buddies.
I think you can do buddy off to uninstall it and then do like buddy again to get a new buddy if you want
Yeah,
to gamify it.
they
If you want
got
to re-roll.
they got ducks. They got a goose, a blob. They have just it's just blob. A cat,
Where are you
dragon.
looking?
I'll send it over to you. Via text. Sorry, I'm on my Mac. They got a
I was
cat,
gonna
a dragon, an octopus, an owl, pinguino that we've seen, a turtle, which looks very similar to the blob. They had a snail, which I kind of like that one the most. Yeah,
I was just going to bring it up on
yeah,
screen.
sure, sure.
Anyone who's watching right now, uh,
Yeah, that one, sure.
this one here, you
I
think?
did the Reddit post above, and that had him too. But this is
Oh,
yeah. I figured that would be a more official one. I would want either chunk or mushroom, but I have a feeling those are
I
rare.
don't even see them. Where do you see them in
Oh, you
here?
scroll up. Oh, Sorry, dude. I don't know. I'm just gonna. I texted you a link, but let me just throw in the Discord.
Yeah.
Here.
Stupid. Uh, oh, Nikes. Why did it do that? Why didn't it copy the message link? Seriously, Discord? Killing me. All right. Well, that's not all of them, though.
They say there was a bunch
Does it-
more.
Well, maybe they're all just named differently.
I only see 18 of them that are out right now.
Oh, but they're mixing and matching with hats. I see.
Is that so? That's how they're doing it. They're okay. Got it.
And rarities. So
Ah.
you could have a common
Yeah, yeah,
octopus with a crown, blah blah blah.
But those are the base. Those are the base buddies.
That makes sense. Well, there you go. A fun April Fool's Easter egg, as it were. All right, let's go back here.
All right.
So
looks
what did it
good.
do?
What
do you know?
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
All
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah,
Yep.
we're good. Cool. And I bet it's nearly. I guess we could have just copied and pasted and changed the files. I guess.
I know. That's what it looks like.
Does it look exactly the same?
No, I guess it's a little different.
I would hope that is a little different. Looks goddamn near the same.
No. So this is the
Yeah,
security.
yeah, yeah.
So I guess the comments are different and everything else is the same.
Okay. Then can you do me a quick double check? Can you go to backend folder and see if that MD is still there that they threw up? I just want to make sure it's not. We probably want to get rid of that.
Not there.
Cool. Then we're good then.
It's right here.
Cool. Let's commit, and then let's start cooking.
Yeah. Commit and push. Oh crap. Damn it. Damn it, Janet. Oh, come on. I just want to escape out of this.
Oh, what happened?
I was in plan mode and I don't want to be in plan mode. I just want to do it.
Got it. Just do a new tab. Just move on.
Jeez. Thank you. How do I get rid of... There it is. Okay. So then, I guess to
Go
your
back
point,
to the browser and drag that same shit back in and restart this whole process.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, how much of this to drag in, though? I guess
Just
is
the
the
original
question.
prompt, in my opinion. Just drag that guy.
You think so?
Yeah, I think just restart the process and let it think because it doesn't have this context to bring with it.
Well, the issue is it won't have the chat context from
It won't.
Claude in the past.
It won't. I would just rather start over and let it recreate a new context on this. And if you set it into plan mode, then it can go through the repo and start knowing ahead of time what it needs to get done.
You sure we shouldn't just copy this stuff in?
I'm not sure at all. I think it's totally fine to do it that way too. There's two different ways. I think I personally like seeing it think the whole way through. But if you trust it to just grab everything that it responded to us, I'm cool just to throw it in plan mode and say, hey, this is what you gave me earlier. Figure out a plan for how you're gonna do all this. I'm cool with that too.
I'm just reading through this, like what this object is, how it works. This is an actual quest object, which we have to create a quest table for. Yeah, I like this, what it's doing so far.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and that's the tie-in to the quests.
Copy the whole thing and slam it in.
I'm wondering if I should just copy everything.
I would just go with that's what I think because then it knows our current structure. If you copy just its response, it won't know our current structure. So I say just throw it all in and say, hey, make a plan for how you're going to implement this part. Yeah.
I'm just doing that whole thing.
Sure.
All right. What? Untracked? Why is it untracked?
I wouldn't trust that. Let's do if you go. Can you do a Command T to open up a new shell and then just do a git status? I'm positive that it's fine. I think this is a cursor bug. Yeah, I would just do a git status on it.
Didn't we do this last time?
Oh shit! Yeah. Okay, it didn't do it. Yeah. So just do it. I would just do it in here, man. Let's just do a git add period.
Git add what?
Period. Just one period.
Oh, right. Yeah, so you want to do this folder here?
Just grab it all. Yeah, and then let's just do a commit. Yeah. Okay, that should be okay. And I'm not worried about that. And just commit. Clearly, cursor didn't do shit. Or a commit, but there wasn't anything added, and it's like, it took the instructions very literally. Maybe we need to say add and commit and push or something. Yeah.
What's the commit command?
Git, commit.
Yeah.
Oh no, sorry. Let's do colon Q. Colon. Yeah, Q and then X. Oh yeah, that's fine. And then let's do git commit and then space. Yeah. A dash M.
Yeah.
Quotes. Just do like whatever.
Quad rules. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then push. We're good. Man, you got into Vim, and I was like, fuck, I forget how to use Vim. I was like, forever. Oh shit.
Yeah.
The only thing I know is colon Q and exclamation
WQ.
mark.
Yeah. Colon WQ to write and quit.
Yeah.
Forever. All right.
Cool. Now we can go back to the Claude thing and throw it all in. So that might be the node terminal that you had earlier.
Yeah.
So now you just go back to
You're saying here.
Yeah, in here.
You want to do in plaid mode. And we're already in plaid mode, you're right.
Yeah. And then you can just slam the whole thing in from earlier.
I don't know that
Yeah, I got it.
Will it have enough context?
What was that you said?
You think it pasted all of that in?
Yeah, but we didn't tell it what to do, right? So I'm wondering if it'll know.
Well, we gave it the original prompt, so I figured it would be able to read the original prompt we gave it, right?
I hope so. I think you have a lot of faith in this guy.
I do.
Let's throw up the trigger in a sec.
You're right.
Yeah. It's time. It's time.
It is definitely time. I thought I had it bookmarked. That's interesting. Well, what did we call this? Oh, wow. What did we call it?
Good question. First try tracker.
Okay, I was just gonna go here, yeah.
Okay.
All right, so
I'm gonna go yes. Because it's not doing anything serious yet. It's just creating what? Appending new stuff onto an existing route, and then we have to manually create the table anyway, right?
That's true.
Yeah, it's nothing too extreme yet. Although we should see what the plan came out. We should see what
I'm still going now.
Okay.
Yeah, do everything. I don't know what it's saying here. Go for it. Do your thing.
Meandering.
Yep, meandering.
We should have another tracker, the words that we need the most, and order them.
Yep. So we'll add that to. Add that here somewhere.
Yeah.
Worst Claude thinking phrases.
How about, so we've seen frolicking, we
saw tinkering, we saw frolicking,
meandering, and there's one more that we saw.
I know, I already forgot it.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, I already forgot what it is. I don't know if you can scroll back up.
No worries. The first one that I would say that I hate the most out of these, I would say frolicking and meandering is very close by.
You think so?
Yeah, I don't want you to frolic through my code base. I want you to, actually
This is the worst one by far. That's the worst one by far.
Yeah, yeah. Current king of sucking. Yeah.
Yeah.
Meandering. Now that makes me feel like you're taking this like you're not. It's like you're not taking this seriously at all. I meander at the mall. You know what I mean? Like.
So frolicking is definitely red. That's like
Yeah.
on fire. That's the
Yeah.
worst one. Tinkering is okay.
I'm
It's
fine with
not my
that one.
favorite.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's fine.
It's fine. It's a greenish. Meandering, whatever. I think it's more on the orangey side of red, though. It's like it's not green. It's definitely not red,
It's
but
only
it's
not that
somewhere.
bad because frolicking exists. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like,
that's right. It's true. It's a scale.
yeah,
You're going down a
exactly,
curve here.
exactly, exactly.
Yeah, it even knows its color here.
Yeah, it's like I'm embarrassed by this one. This sucks. My bad.
Oh, that's what we should have done. We should have used Opus because it has a 1 million context on it now.
Okay, we'll switch it up on the next one then. Okay,
Yeah, I wonder. I can't imagine I can do it during the middle.
probably not unless you stop it and want to start it over. But I had it as slash
Oh,
model, so you just
yeah, sorry.
change it.
No,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. I wonder. No, you can't do it. Just like
it's gotta be a command like slash model. Let's see, slash model
yeah,
opus or something. Let's see if it knows it then.
and then you have to put the model in.
Can you down? Can you click down on the arrow keys to make? It doesn't do that, huh? That's stupid.
No.
There has to be like a way for it to let you choose, though. If you do an O, what happens?
Yeah, it's
You gotta
not.
make me
Not
manually do this.
auto-
It's like churning your own churning your own butter or something. That's ridiculous. Like, are you joking me? Give me an option, dude.
I know. What is this? It's not like a real IDE.
Yeah, am I
if you
sewing my
can't-
own clothes right now? This is ridiculous.
Well, now it doesn't even finish it for me. It's like it's totally confused what I'm supposed to be doing here. Oh, there you go. Waddles closer and squint. Apparently, my penguin is
Mm.
doing funny stuff.
Oh, while we're waiting, Claude
Yeah.
Code leak. Thoughts?
So we should talk about it because I don't know enough. But
Yeah.
so walk us through what actually happened.
So, per my knowledge, Claude Code is like a wrapper around Anthropic's LLMs, right? So it's a wrapper around Opus, it's a wrapper around Sonnet, whatever, right? They
Hold on.
oh
Hold on to that thought.
yeah,
Hold on to that thought. Can you see this?
yeah, maybe we just say continue, or how about say continue and change the model to Opus? That's what I would say.
Perusing.
Oh, that's pretty shit too. That's not as bad as meandering.
Not as bad as meandering.
That's not as bad as meandering to me. Do you have thoughts?
I hate perusing.
As a word or them using it?
Them using it. Perusing is simply just looking.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm like, that's pretty bad. But meandering makes it seem like
True.
you're like
It's
not
almost as
giving a
bad as
shit.
frolicking. You're right. Meandering is almost as bad as frolicking. You're right.
I love how this is
Fair.
this is also a linguistics show now.
Anyway, so go ahead.
Oh yeah. So Claude or Anthropic's Claude Code wrapper got leaked, and now we can all wrap Claude Code around our own local LLM. So I could use like Olama or like it's a Gemma or what the other ones are.
Sure.
So you can run it if you have a machine strong enough to handle the load. Because you have a better CPU and GPU. You can just run this all locally now.
But why would I want to do that when they're going to continue to upgrade Claude Code with new versions and whatnot?
It's up to you to decide. Right now, I can get Claude Code today and just use it. However, which I think is pretty
Sure.
neat.
But I guess part of the power of Claude Code is being able to use Anthropic's models.
That's 99% of it, isn't it? Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah.
I hear you.
So why would I want to use Llama or Grok or any of the free models for this?
I think it's cool. I don't want to pay money
Okay.
for and have them steal all my data and then rug pull me later. Because I like I said, I've told you a bunch of times. I have a conspiracy that they're just training all their shit off of the things that we're prompting, and now
Yeah.
you have to own some of your stuff. I think that's a good thing. So I don't know. I see it that way, and no, I'm not gonna go do. I'm still gonna pay for all this shit, but I'm just noting. I'm just noting that as time goes on, this is like gonna be pretty neat to have Claude Code available just at home, which I think is cool.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
But like I was saying earlier, only for a limited time, right?
Well, this current state of it.
Yeah.
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 But as you see it, it's pretty shit. So you can start tinkering with it now yourself as well.
Is there a way to just say read whatever the hell you want?
There is a
I don't.
setting for that. I looked into it, but I never finished figuring that part out before I dropped it. It's really annoying. I'm aware. Yeah.
Created a damn Claude folder. Yes, you can read from it. Concocting.
Concocting. That one, I don't. I think that's around tinkering to me, around the same level.
I agree.
Yeah.
I was thinking it's like a form of green.
Mm-hmm.
It's somewhere right in here.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you like my color coding, by the way?
I
Green
like
is
it.
okay.
I like it. I like it.
Yellow it's all
We're
right.
getting date. We're getting,
not
it's like you're
good.
getting. It's like whoa, watch it, bud. You're getting there. You know, like
Yeah. But frolicking in bold red is by far the worst so
it's
far.
pretty bad. That makes it seem like you're like skipping through the woods of my code base, and it's like don't do that
Yeah.
shit, dude.
Don't frolic. I've never heard an engineer saying they're frolicking.
It'd be suspect,
you-
right? Yeah, you'd be like,
It
I
is
don't know if
very
I trust
suspect.
you. Oh, I
Only
see.
three.
Slash, by the way, I've never seen that one before. That's actually a good tip.
What should we ask it?
Is it true if you don't use it, you lose it? I don't know. Like,
I can't type, but don't use it. You lose it.
that just cost you 45 cents.
Oh.
It isn't a 4-year-old virgin.
Actually, look at this. It's coming back with. It's a design choice. That's what it is. It's a design choice.
Reasonable.
Yeah. Oh, but if you need there you go. Well, all right.
Is it still cooking now? I'm scared.
Yeah, where do we go back?
Scroll space enter. Okay. Puttering.
Puttering?
Oh, puttering. I don't like that one. That gives me. That's like as bad. That's like somewhere, but that's worse than perusing by far. I don't know if it's worse than meandering. That's how I feel about that. That's where I'm like at right now. It's nearly as bad as frolicking to me.
Puttering means they're just like doing nothing.
Like I'm imagining an old man just like walking very slowly, right?
Yeah, it's like
Puttering.
I don't think it's as bad as frolicking, but
Okay.
it's getting there.
Is it as
I
bad
think
as
it's somewhere
meandering?
right in
Is it
here.
worse than meandering?
I think so. I think it's worse. I don't know. Meandering is pretty bad. Now that
Meandering's
you
pretty bad.
mention
I
it.
think puttering is on equal level or slightly less bad than meandering. That's how I feel right now. But
So I
puttering is
actually
pretty bad.
I think puttering and meandering. I think meandering needs to be bumped. Is what I'm thinking. I
Down
think it needs
now.
to be something like that.
I can live with that. No, I can live with that. Yeah, I think we both feel like puttering's pretty shit.
It is shit. Although to be fair, all of these are real shit.
But if I was like, I don't know, I guess how would you feel if like you weren't at your house and I was like, hey Steve, I'm at your house meandering. That doesn't sound great, but I'm puttering
No.
around your house. God, that sounds annoying
Yeah.
now.
They're both really bad though. I mean, they don't really evoke strong feelings of wow, he's really out there doing shit.
Yeah,
Like,
I don't
neither
trust,
one of them.
I don't trust it. And
No.
now, and so here's another thing about Claude. It takes fucking forever, and I don't know,
I know.
anything that's happening. So that's another reason why I soured on it because I think it's great. But sometimes I'm like, I don't really fucking know what you're doing. And
I
Cursor did a
know.
better job with UI work than Claude did. He wouldn't given the same
Yes.
prompts. So I just wanted to
Yes, I
note those
agree.
things. Yeah.
100%. Like this is not a good experience right now for me.
Yeah.
I'm very antsy, and I'm used to the plan mode in Cursor where you'll usually get something back within, a couple of minutes at the longest.
Yeah. And where the fuck's
Um,
this penguin? He's been completely okay, cool. Yes, and manually approve edits. Or actually, yes, auto accept edits. I guess. Let's do it.
well, I want to see the
Yeah,
plan.
yeah.
Where's the
Which you
plan?
just gave it. Which you just gave it. You gotta scroll up now.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Holy cow.
Yep. It's a lot of work to do quest dialogues. Let's see.
Ah, all right. Database, that's good. Ready to code? Here's the plan.
Mm-hmm.
Current dialog system, flat array, blah, blah, blah. Yep, that's correct. The goal is to replace it. Name node graph support per response conditions. Yep, that's true. Introduce a quest template system and a character flag system. That all seems right. Keep full backward compatibility. I
That's
don't think that's
wrong.
true.
Yeah, that's wrong. We don't want that. So I will write. We do not want full backward compatibility. We want all existing NPCs to reflect this new setup. Okay.
Also, I don't want this.
You want to just.
I don't want this structure.
Could you explain that further? You don't want the. I understand not wanting the file. Do you not like the structure you said at all?
So what I don't want is right now, this would be one huge JSON blob with every quest that the character has done and whether it should be a flag or not. I don't want that. It should be a separate character quests table
Mm-hmm.
that tracks all of that information. Yeah, as a matter of fact, we even have a character quests table. It's not being used for anything.
So okay, then maybe we need to bring that in to the
Yep.
fold. Um, we
But
want.
there's no row in here, so I won't know the structure. I don't know if I can copy a row. Can I just No, I
Can you do
can't copy a
insert?
row.
Can you click on
Yeah, I can do
insert
an
and
insert.
see? Oh well, let's see if you click on insert if it lets you do something dumb real quick, like just one empty
Uh,
row would be cool, just so we can get the row.
yeah.
Yeah. Maybe we just hit save and see how that goes.
Uh, I, I think I need to this has a foreign key relation, so I have to put in something.
Bummer. Got it.
I can select the record though.
Okay. Cool. Nice. Superbase has that's pretty impressive actually. I didn't think it would be able to have that.
Unfortunately, I don't know character
Mm-hmm.
names.
Classic.
There we go. So we'll just do Jasper here.
Sure.
Whichever one that one is. Quest ID. Oh, again, we don't have quests yet, do we? Oh, it's a table, but I bet there's nothing in it.
Hmm.
Yeah, let's look in here. Yeah, there's no quests in here either.
Okay.
So I
So
think what we need to tell it is that we have a quests table, and we can give it the schema, and we have a character underscore quests table, and both of those should be used.
can you go back to the prompt?
Yeah.
That was
I was going to go through
point.
the rest of this stuff.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. That was step one. If you can go up, I think it was step one, right?
Yeah, that's step one.
So
Dave,
for step one, we don't want that. Okay. Okay. Cool. I'm just documenting. I'm about to hit enter on
yep,
Discord for the
perfect.
whole thing. Yep.
New and updated types.
Reasonable.
Not started. Yeah, these are fine.
Reasonable.
They're all just enumerations.
Yep.
Yeah. I mean, it's going to depend on, I guess. I think this might all change based off of the database,
Mm-hmm.
but we'll see. I mean, this is all reasonable stuff. I don't have any problem with any of this right now.
Yeah.
New utility, flag utils. What is this one doing? Oh, I see. This is for the quest stuff. Got it. This all on the back end? Is that what this is? Yeah, this is all on back end. That's all back end stuff. Good. Get quest record. This all makes sense. Yep, that all makes sense. Quest database access only uses query with my.
I thought this was gonna be like a one file update. I'm shocked. Yeah. No, as in it is correct. I was just kind of like, oh shit, I didn't think that was gonna be so much.
This stuff we don't want, I don't think, is legacy dialogue. Blah blah blah. All this stuff in yellow, orange, gold here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure. I think this is using the existing legacy stuff, so I don't think we want that. That's why I would think it colored it this color.
Mm-hmm. I just wrote that I wanted to get rid of any legacy.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool. That's fine. Yeah.
Yep.
Stays under 350 lines. It's following your rules.
Good.
Talk to NPC changes. After resolving NSP group, call is legacy dialogue. We didn't talk about like the UI, the front end. So is it going to understand how to do the UI now that we've changed the legacy structure?
Could you spell out the concerns that you would have on the front end? Because right now we don't do anything with quests on the front end, right? Could you spell that out for me a little bit more?
On the front end right now, we have the existing dialogue pop-up that's tied to the character object and the array structure.
Yep, I remember now. Sorry, thank you for jogging my memory. Okay.
So we need to convert the dialogue front end to use this new dialogue tree system.
Okay.
Graph node.
Can you keep scrolling and see if it addresses that? Because I want to know if it... Because don't worry, on the same vein, I want to know if it's addressing the God creation tool as well. So, yeah.
We don't want that.
You don't want what exactly? Sorry.
Oh, sorry. It's just this. We already talked. It's just
okay.
This.
Got it. Yeah.
Character ID, blah, blah, blah. Store the dialogue tree in the current node key. Yep. That's all seems fine.
Because I did see that it had some front end changes coming, so we'll see if it talks about it.
Okay.
Cool.
Execute actions. I don't know what any of this is, but this seems fine. This is all the stuff after you complete the quest, right? It's going to do something.
Yeah. Front end updates. Here we go. Map types. Cool. Dialogue slice. That's good.
Give me 1 second here. Step 6, quest rest routes. So quest templates, ID, blah, blah. Yeah, just typical rest endpoints, front end, map types.
Yep.
We don't need any of this, of course.
Yep.
But
it'll get an updated plan. Yep. But it looks good on this socket listener and the dialogue thing.
Dialogue modal.
Yeah.
So
I think it got it. Yeah. I think it got it.
We'll see. It seems to know what is, at least it detected it. So that's a good sign. And that's it. So...
Okay, 1 second. I'm going to give this part to you. To use this new system for the part request. Alright. Threw it to you in Discord. Let me know how you feel about that. You edited it accordingly, and I think we can...
We do not want backward. We want all existing NPCs to reflect this new setup. We also want to remove all past references to the older flat array and want to move entirely to the new system. For step 1, we don't want that. We have a quests table and we have a character underscore quests table we want to use.
I'll edit that right now. Okay, edited.
Character underscore quests, yeah.
Okay, edited.
We also make sure that you update the can use this new system. Yeah, that's a good call out there. Do we want to push it even further and say, take the existing dialogue from Drill Sergeant Zim and put it in this new structure?
I say no.
Okay. Okay. Then let's just copy this in and see what we get.
And I'll remember that as a to-do. Update Drill Sergeant Zim.
So we do not want full backward compatibility. We want this. So do we need to do the schema, though, for these tables? Or do you think it's smart enough to know what those are?
Is the schema going to be in the backend somewhere on the literal file, do you think?
That's what I was wondering.
If it's there, then I can say, come on, just go look there.
It's just really quick.
Yeah, is there an add quest or anything? Let me see. I have it up here too. Let's say backend maps, plugins, schemas, character schema. It does not have anything with quest schemas, so that's new.
I bet it does, because I don't think I set up those tables. I'm sure that it did.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't know if it was part of a different script, is what I was thinking.
Yeah, I'm looking inside of the models folder, and I don't see anything with quests.
So it's just this one. It's just in the README or in the backup restore guide.
Okay, I'm cool with that.
It doesn't have. It doesn't actually have. The
structure, but there's no scheme. I think it. Guns in my head, it's gonna be too stupid.
So let's do this then.
But we don't have an easy way to give it a shape or schema, do we?
Let's just do this then. Let's just insert a row here.
Okay. I think it's too stupid.
Quest 1. I don't even know what quest type is. And these are all optional fields. So quest type needs to be something.
I guess null.
Well, the default is null.
I wonder if I wonder if it means it's set up in a way that it can't be null, but that doesn't make any sense because you didn't define it to say that it had to be an object. It's an empty table, right? When you look on Supabase and see if I'm able to just copy it. This is inside of which one exactly? Quests?
Yeah, quests.
Okay. Let me see if there's an easy way to just copy.
Let me just do this. Let me see if it... Yeah, I think I can do this. And then I can... Yeah.
Hey, I got you. I have an easy way, actually. I have an easy way. If you click on... to the left of the insert button, there's a book next to the refresh. So you go, that API docs, you click that. And then you go to format column. Or sorry, it's over there underneath quest. You can just copy that thing as a doc, basically.
What am I doing? What?
So do you see how under columns, you could just copy that and throw it to them?
Oh, you mean this right here?
Yeah, I think you just throw that in. Does that feel good enough?
Yeah, I mean, I could do that. I did add the...
Oh, you did add... Then that's even better. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Yeah.
That's my bad. I was looking around in Supabase.
I added a row here.
Cool. Be like, here's an example row in quests, is what I would say.
Let me just do this. Quest name. I don't know exactly what quest type is here, but I'm just going to put it in here, quest type. Because it's going to copy in the row, but it's not going to understand what any of this stuff means. Honestly, I could change it as well. We're not beholden to it. How do I add that?
You just got to figure out how to get to the end. We're inside the CLI. I would maybe push left on the arrow key and see if it snaps you. Cool, that worked. Nope, it didn't.
No, but I can't edit.
Oh. How about we just let's see.
I say we just go for this. And
I think
we'll
so
figure
too.
Out this.
I think so too. Let's hit enter on that one if we can.
Oh.
Marinating. That's gross. That's a gross one, actually. Like we need a different color for like you're now entering like HR violation kind of words in my opinion.
This is danger.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is like charcoal or something. This is
I
like
I think I think that's as bad or worse than frolicking. That's a
I'm
special
gonna make it
category.
I'm gonna make it cyan or the
Yeah,
purple
yeah.
here, the
That's like an HR violation. Like you can't say that out
magenta.
loud. Yeah.
Yeah, this is magenta.
Yeah.
Anything that's magenta, you know you're getting kicked out of the
Oh
company.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Like
Yeah.
if like somebody HR pulled me into the office for saying that I was marinating or something, I'd be like, I
Yeah.
understand completely why I'm here. Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely definitely not good
That's
one
not cool.
here.
That's not okay.
Now, yes, and don't ask again for xargs grep colon star. Pebble's awfully quiet today.
I was about to say these little buddies don't do shit. Burrowing.
Oh, I didn't even catch
Yeah,
that.
I don't like that one either. Let's see. That's not. Now it's like
It just doesn't make sense.
I think that one doesn't make sense. Like, why would you be burrowing into, especially within all the other adjectives I've been using? I would say it's worse than puttering, but not
You
as
think
bad
it's
as
worse than
I
puttering?
think it's
I
worse
just
than
think it's
puttering.
nonsensical. I don't
Okay,
know.
I can give it a like a you just don't make sense. I could live with that one.
Yeah, it just doesn't make sense.
I guess if it was digging, would you have been better? Would you have been happier if you
Yeah,
said digging?
digging makes sense. You're digging through code and
And
whatnot,
then burrowing
research.
maybe is kind of like that as a synonym.
No,
I
that's
don't know.
true. Maybe you're right. Maybe it has a little bit more. Maybe it's a little bit more on the green or yellow side.
Yeah, I think it's a little worse than puttering to me. Like, I don't want you burrowing into. Can you imagine if like I was like, "Hey Clay, can you go do that thing?" I'm like, "Yeah, let me go burrow around the code base." Like, that's
But to your
pretty
point, it's
shit.
like digging.
It is like
Burrowing is
digging. It
digging.
is. Yeah, I would say, let me go dig into this. Right? What if I was like,
Yeah,
let me burrow into this ticket? Like, God, I'd hate me for that. Like,
just like what is a dick? Like burrowing. Who
yeah,
uses burrowing?
yeah.
I don't know. I don't have a color then. You said it's worse than puttering? I
I
don't
think
think so. I
so.
think
They're about the same to
okay.
me. It's
All right.
worse
I'll
than
just
perusing now to me.
we'll just do that
Yeah,
then.
I would say it's worse than perusing. Do you have any thoughts? Perusing slowly getting better because of how bad these other
It
ones have
is
been.
because of all these other crap ones.
Yeah.
So what is that? So what is perusing kind of like that's like the mid color. So like this is mid tier. Perusing is mid tier. Whatever we were calling
Yeah,
it. So what?
I think perusing is no longer. I mean, perusing is getting better and better to me as I keep getting more words. Yeah,
But what color is that? Is what I was
I don't
getting
know.
at.
Its middle would be. I guess pure yellow would be the middle. Would you agree with that or disagree?
Really hard to read though.
That's okay. We just know that's the middle.
Okay, so be it. Okay, perusing, right in the middle. Use something, Claude.
hmm
Oh, what I was gonna do is I was gonna go now that we have a quest. I was gonna go back into the character quests. So if we need a schema, we have both of them now. Ay, 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 ay. I don't know if I like this experience more or less.
It's different. This is what I like to do at work, so that I can maybe go do something else. But it is different, right? And then you get pissed when you went to go do something else, and you come back and it's like it stalled because it's like, oh, you didn't click like you wanted to auto accept this or whatever. So yeah,
Gotta notify you on your phone.
is that even a thing?
I bet it is.
Oh, interesting to have it tie in.
Yeah.
And then you could just click like auto accept or whatever on your phone
Yeah.
and keep doing stuff.
Yeah.
And it thinks for we're now at 12 and a half minutes, so I don't know. I don't really know. So you asked me, oh, wouldn't you want to use Anthropic's LLM? I'm not sure, dude. This is taking so long. Like,
but it doesn't normally. Like if we are in Cursor and
that
we're
is
doing
something
plan mode.
and that is something that I'm not sure. When I use the Claude paid plan, the $20 a month tier, I'm not that baller. It basically would be like thinking the whole time. I'd come back, it wouldn't get it right, and then I'd be out of tokens for 4 hours or something. It'd be like you can't do anything for another like 8 hours. I'd be like, so I don't know. It's tough. I'm not really sure.
So here's the thing: it says it's still using Sonnet, even though we told it to switch to Opus.
Oh, I see. So okay, got it.
So I was gonna try to go to Opus fast mode. Is this all new?
This is all new.
Oh, it took.
Yep.
This is all the same, right?
This is all new. Wait. Sorry, you scrolled too far up. Scroll down slowly.
Yeah, so I was like, this is all the old.
Yep.
No, this is all.
Keep scrolling. And then we said a bunch of shit.
No, this is all new.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's what I was hoping for, but...
Yeah, this is all brand new stuff.
Okay. So it still is adding this thing here. Hopefully you're okay with this because we gave it the new rows, right?
We didn't give it the new rows because we didn't have them yet.
Oh, I see. So I did... So we...
We didn't have the new rows because we didn't
tell it that we had a character.
The table.
Okay, so it did. That's all we told it. Okay, types. That's fine. Don't care.
No, this is all. This is not correct.
Okay.
This is incorrect. All of these are wrong.
So step one. Step 1 DB migration is all wrong. Here are some example rows. We'll paste. Okay. You can ignore that for right now. Let's see how we feel about the rest of it and go from there.
Okay.
We'll come back to this.
Yep.
I'm cool with all this.
This is all fine. Yeah, this
I'm
is
cool
all
with
good.
all of that's fine.
This is all just the normal stuff that we were talking about.
Yeah, looks good.
So these actually look correct. I don't know how I came up with these, but that looks correct. It's fine. This all is the same. Flags are fine. This is all the same.
Yep.
This all looks the same. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Cool, and added the game creation tool. Okay. Awesome. So we just need to now give it the actual rows and figure out step 1 and then say update the plan and then go. Yeah.
So yeah, let's go back to quests here. Copy roll.
Yep. And then the other one was character quests, right? Which you did
Yeah,
throw one in.
I'm gonna let me just do it in. I'm just gonna do both of them together, but I don't trust. I don't trust Claude. This is the quests. And then this one here is character quests. Copy that row. Let's come in here. Let's do character. Make sure you're using the right casing, character quests. Control V. Let's do quests. Yeah, so I'm just going to copy what you did and what I did. Oh, crap. I don't trust the editor that I can go back and edit it, so I want to do it in one shot. So this is basically what I'm doing.
I'm cool with that.
Because it wouldn't let me edit. I'm sure there's a way, I just don't know what.
Exactly, it's a CLI thing. Yeah.
Right here.
And I'd say
So-
maybe shift enter, like holding down shift. You could just say like update this plan and then go.
You think shift enter works?
Let me double check for you. I have it up right. If shift enter works, if you hold down shift, yeah.
Okay,
cool. And I say update the plan, and I would just be like fucking go, but let me know if you want to read the plan again for that part because I don't know.
Nope, let's do it.
Okay. That's bad. Shenaniganing.
It's just the worst.
Shenaniganing. That's pretty bad. I'd say that might be my overall least favorite one right now. That's worse than frolicking to me. Because that's like that's like a cringe. That's like now we're entering cringe. That's like a whole other category.
This is so bad.
Yeah.
I don't even know how to pronounce it.
Shenaniganing.
I mean, spell it.
Shenaniganing.
Shenaniganing.
I think that's worse than frolicking or equal level gift thoughts.
It's absolutely horrible.
Yeah. It's the new
So
champion.
I think that should be this.
The
and
current
that should
champion.
be that.
Yeah. Shenaniganing is bad.
It's just.
It's pretty bad.
What are you like? I don't know. You're trying to sound cool.
Yeah, it's too cringe, right? Exactly. Yeah, it's cringe. Actually, we can check it out now if you want to take a look at step 1.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Glad that didn't take 12 minutes for one update. Let's see. How does that look now? That was better, right? I think we're good.
Yep.
Columns are missing at them. Okay, so it's adding columns for us too. Cool.
I don't think this is right though.
Oh, you don't? Damn, it's really having trouble with the database stuff.
Yeah.
Because I thought it added new, in its definition, it added new stuff that we might have not priced in for the implementation that it wanted to do. That's why I thought I would just believe it.
So, okay. Per character Boolean flags for cross NPC state. Maybe that is correct. I don't know for sure. I don't know what's actually going to be in this JSON blob here. This seems fine. Alter the quest to be the NPC definition. That's fine. But this one here for sure is wrong. Flags set when a player accepts this quest. That should not be on the quests table. That should be in character quests. That's the whole idea of character quests.
I would agree.
Character quests holds whether it's accepted or not.
I would say yeah, let's update that. You're right. I would agree with that statement. If you wouldn't update quests because everyone is looking at the same quest table. I understand entirely. Yeah, I understand. That doesn't make sense.
So I guess let's just do this. Almost. However, the character accepting quest and flags should be in the character quests table, not quests. Quests is shared among all quests that are defined. The character quests table will be the individual instantiation of said quests. How do you feel about improvising?
It's funny because if it had been the first one that I saw, I would have hated it. But now, based on
I know. It's not even in top 10 of worst
it's
ones.
not even top 10. It's like not that bad. I would say it's up. I'd say it's like around concocting. How about that?
Yeah, I agree.
It's about.
It's right around concocting.
It's about around concocting.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's funny how like if that was the first one up, I would have gagged and been like, "That fucking sucks." But now after seeing marinating and shenaniganing, I think I'm feeling less bad about it. Frolicking's bad. Frolicking's bad. That they started off strong with a really awful one there.
Yeah. There was one worse than that. We just don't remember what it was. That's how bad it was.
Mm-hmm.
There was one before. Come on, Claude, be the winner. By the way, where are we on this then?
We're still here. We're still here. We're still here.
We've gone through this like 7 times though.
Nothing
Does
has
this count?
We are still here.
Okay.
All right, let's check it out. The step 1 again.
Last one. This is good. Let's do this.
Okay. And then we'll look at the sequel.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Done.
All right.
Do it.
Let's do it. That was brutal. That was painful. But I think there is a lot going on, though, in its defense. We're adding new APIs. We're updating tables. There's quite a bit. And we knew dialogue would be a beast. I just didn't know that we'd have to even just spend this long working on a prompt.
Envisioning. This is the latest one. Did you see that?
That's not so bad anymore. That's like the best one I've seen.
Envisioning.
I'm not too upset about that one.
So you're okay with envisioning and tinkering being the same?
Yeah, I think those are about the same level. And again, it's like all this exposure therapy to bad ones makes this one not so bad. If that's had been the first one I saw, I would have been like, this fucking sucks. But it's not so bad anymore.
So did it create... No, I was going to run the migration scripts while it was doing this, but didn't create them yet.
Mm-hmm. Give it some time to envision, okay? It takes a lot of effort to shenaniganize a little bit, all right?
Did you notice that it did change colors, by the way, that text?
What do you mean? I'm sorry.
You might not be able to tell.
Yeah.
Envisioning has changed colors. It was more of an orange.
Yes.
Now it's more of a...
Yes.
Yeah, there it is again.
I didn't see... I've never seen it change on the dot, but I have noticed that it changes colors, yes. Yeah.
Yep.
Because I think I've seen it be green before. I think. And I could be lying. I could be shenaniganing with that statement, but
you could be.
I think I've seen it be green. Or
meandering.
Let me marinate on it a little bit.
Definitely sounds like shenaniganing.
Shenaniganing.
Shenanigan.
I feel like it should be shenaniganizing. I feel like that's like a nizing word. I don't know.
It's It's not a real word. You can't. You're. It's a shenanigan. You can't be
I was thinking that's not
shenanigan.
a that's not an axe, right?
Yeah.
It's a thing. Yeah.
So what's it doing? Why is it?
It just scrolled up on accident, I think. You just
Yeah.
drag it all the way down. Yeah, we're good. It's working.
So if we're going to use the Claude CLI from now on, though, we don't even need the AI panel and cursor.
What do you mean? I'm sorry.
We're just going to be doing all of our stuff in the
Mm-hmm.
CLI from now on, right? We don't need any of this stuff over here.
We don't for if you're gonna move off of it. You're absolutely right. You don't need both.
Uh,
I in my working situation had both Claude Code and Cursor, so I used them both in parallel at different times for different things. But yeah, you're right.
Okay.
But no, but you're so right. We don't really need it anymore. You can do it all in one place.
Oh,
Because
cool.
I wasn't vibe coding everything. I was still opening up diffs and like manually coding certain parts and changing and being like, actually, I want it to look more like this. So my back and forth with the AI is a little bit different.
I don't even know how to get that panel back.
Command I, which I'm not sure what that. Yeah,
Nope. Control I maybe?
yeah, because you're on a PC.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, dude. I'm a full.
I
I
know.
know stuff on Windows, but I only game on Windows and I only work on Mac. So now I'm like, I never know things. It was already hard for me to tell you the Git commands because I was like, fuck, it's all muscle memory. I actually don't really know how to
Yeah.
say it out loud.
Make the scripts for me so I can run them. I can be, as a human, I could be running the migration scripts right now while it's coding the server and front
Right,
end stuff.
right. So now, with this in mind, man, it would take freaking forever for it to run like 20 agents at the same time. It would take so long.
Think so?
Yeah, like how would it be able to if this is one agent running around right now, right? How could it do 20? That's so
Because
crazy.
this is one agent that's doing everything. You would have broken this task up into
You're right.
a database agent, a front end agent, a back end agent, an API
You're
agent,
right.
whatever.
Yep, yep. Okay. Okay. No, no, you're right. And then yeah, okay.
In theory, it should be faster, but
And
we
I know people
probably
are
have to
doing
test
it
it
that
out.
way too. I know people are doing it that way already. Okay, cool. That's the next frontier of this.
And then each agent, you give it a persona, you tell it what it is, and you don't cross the streams, as it were. You don't give it, you tell it that it's a front end developer, or you tell it that it's, or front end agent, or
Mm-hmm.
you tell it that it's a database agent, and that's all it does.
Right. No, no, I get it. Okay. That's cool. That's cool then.
I just wish that our full stack engineer here started with the database.
It's a stupid junior.
Considering what it came up with, though, pretty impressive,
I think
honestly.
that's why I think it does great with already existing code or scaffolding new code. It's not good at any of the architectural side at all. That's the part where you kind of have to babysit the shit out of it. Um, like it's not good about thinking about best practices and some of these other things. But I do agree that it does really good work overall. But it takes freaking forever too. That sometimes when it takes like say 30 minutes, I'm like that would have taken me 15. So now I'm kind of
Yeah.
like is this effective to waste a lot of money on a task that I could probably just do? But I get it. I didn't have to do it, right? So
Yeah, 21 minutes here.
yeah. And that's the only reason why I kind of want to try this wrapper around like llama or something because then it's like I could just be coding up shit nonstop and like leaving and not worry about how much money I racked up. Because I have solar, my energy bill can go as high as it needs. It's fine.
What? gave this. So it did already convert the tree for Zim in theory.
Okay.
The script that it created will do this migration for us. Okay. This one's for real though. This is not a. This doesn't go on the list.
No, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
This is a real thing.
And I've noticed it takes forever to compact conversations. It's on that step for so long. I'm looking around at people talking about how Claude has gone really slow, and I don't know, it's just so slow. To be clear, the issue stems from the CLI client, not the model. Okay. This is a genuine question. Does your computer performance, your computer specs matter for this stuff? I don't think it can because it's in the cloud, right? So
Yeah.
So some other people are talking about different background tasks being slow because of your computer performance. I don't know if that makes sense technically to me. That's why I'm trying to unpackage that now. I don't know.
I don't know how that. I mean, I guess maybe
Like, is it using your computer's actual RAM for certain things for
yeah, that's what I
storing?
was thinking. Like, obviously the IDE does to a certain extent,
Yeah,
but I don't know what's happening beneath the covers. So who knows
that's what
under
I
the
was
hood?
thinking because I was like, but don't worry, I have a shitty computer for development and it's about this pace. And I think you have. I mean, do you have at least like 32 gigs of RAM on your current machine?
I assume so, but
Yeah,
it
no worries. I'm
depends.
just
I
wondering.
don't know. Let me just look. Let me
Okay,
see what.
don't worry. Has nothing to do with the model, and it has nothing to do with the computers. It's a bloated server. That's it.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, which makes sense. Everyone's trying to vibe code out their dreams. So who knows?
Nope. I only have 16 gigs of RAM.
Got it. I don't think. See, it technically doesn't make any sense to me that your computer specs even have any factor into this. So I was just wondering because people were noting their machines and their specs, and I'm like, I don't think that matters.
8 gig GPUs, multiple GPUs installed. 13th gen Intel Core i9.
Hmm.
Don't know what any of that is, but
Was this the new computer you just grabbed too?
yeah.
Cool.
But if I do need to get 32 gigs, then I'll go get 32
You don't
gigs.
have
But
that kind of money right now during this shortage, Steve. Don't act like you got
it's
8,000
a good point,
bajillion.
especially with tariffs and gas prices. And I bet chips are more expensive now.
RAM is particularly expensive right now, which is a huge shame for me because I really wanted to go from 16 to 32 on my gaming PC, and I stalled because I was like, I can wait. RAM is cheap, and it's no longer cheap.
Nothing is cheap
Yeah,
anymore.
it used to be like $50, maybe 50 to $100, I'd say, for 32 gigs of RAM. Now it's like 400, 500 for 32 gigs. I'm like, God damn it.
Best, by the way, how much does it cost per 1 gigabyte for RAM?
I'm gonna guess what, $30 a gig? Is that what it is?
It
$20 a
does-
gig?
it doesn't have information on current RAM pricing.
I see.
Not like actual Claude, where you would probably find it for you
Yeah.
in the web. I mean, we could test, right? Oh, I closed Claude. That's all right.
Use it with cursor off to the side.
There you go. Let's do this. Hey, where'd it go?
You're fine.
Fine. No, I was gonna copy it.
Oh, I see.
Survey says.
He wants to get very technical.
Desktop. See,
Hey,
searching the
it's
web.
cogitated. I've actually never heard of that word before in my life. Cogitated.
I have heard of cogitated. Cogitation.
Cogitate.
Yeah,
Makes sense.
yeah,
To think deeply about something. Interesting.
yeah.
I can't shit on it because I don't even know the word.
uh, dollar per gigabyte. According to this, $4 to $7 per gig.
That's incorrect. Unless 7 times 16 is what? Let's see.
That would be $102.
Okay. Yeah, if you can get enterprise pricing, maybe. Because I'm shopping by like PC part picker prices.
So is this done?
Yep, looks good. Looks done. So now is there a script for us to run?
There's just the
Yep.
migration script. But where's the actual data? Because it needs to add new columns and stuff, I thought.
Right. So there should be a file that we run manually on the Supabase database that it provided us. Is my hope.
Well, it should be in migrations.
And it wasn't that file that's updated or whatever.
No, that's what I'm looking at right here.
Can you click on the diff? Let's see if it added it in. Yeah.
Well, this is a brand new file.
Yeah, totally. Let's just click on the diff and see if it even added it. It's like a little easier to scan. So there's a migrate PC that it added. Can you move the agent review down? Let's see if it added anything else. So it didn't even provide it, looks like. Unless does it is the migrate NPC dialog to tree, is that something that we're supposed to run? That does it all? Let's look at that code.
So looking at this code, what it does is it takes the existing dialogue and it moves it into a new tree structure, a new tree or graph node structure.
Mm-hmm.
But it doesn't add the new columns that it needed. There's no alter table insert column
None of
thing
that.
code.
Let's see. I
No.
don't see it. Okay. Okay.
Unless it didn't go here, it went somewhere else.
I don't see it.
Unless there was a schemas that it added, right? No.
I don't see it.
So I don't know. I don't think this will work if the database isn't set up properly.
Right. So maybe we do an ask on top of Claude right now and be like, weren't you supposed to give me a file to run or whatever? Yeah.
Hey, stop. There a database script to alter the tables? I don't see one. Just the migration from the legacy dialog to the new tree format. Sock hopping? Come on.
What does sock hopping even mean? I don't even know.
Come
What
on.
is sock hopping? I just learned two new words back to back.
This. Come on. You can't be using sock hopping.
Oh, like a 1950s informal teenage dance. That's a
Yep.
sock hop?
Yep.
Yeah, isn't that like where like the girl asks the guy or some shit? Is that what that is? No, it's just an informal teenage dance. Got it.
Search for one pattern. It does exist. Let me check if it has the right content. Load one file. Backhand patterns MD. What? No.
Oh,
File exists. It was created earlier in the session.
huh, I don't know. Do you see it under let's go to here, do me a favor because I think you want to check it, right? Grab that
No,
first
it's right here.
line. You found it?
It's
Oh,
right
so
here.
you found it. Okay. I don't know.
It's not. It's not modified. It's not new.
I don't know.
What the hell?
Let's run it.
These are all brand new.
Yeah, I don't know why it wasn't shown in. I wonder if the migrations folder does it not get committed?
It does get committed.
Okay, then I'm not sure.
Actually, it might not. Now that you mention it,
And that's why it wouldn't show up in the diff. That what folder is migrations under?
it's in the back end.
Yeah.
Database.
Sorry. It's under database. Okay, that's what I meant. I see all the migrations files, so I don't. It does get committed. I don't know.
I don't get it.
I don't either.
I don't understand that.
I do not either.
All right. I forget where the sequel is.
There is one to the left tab. I'm pulling it up as well.
SQL editor. There
Yep.
it is.
Yep.
I'm just gonna run all of these.
I'm cool with that.
Cool.
Now let's go see if the rows are there. Or columns, I mean. I'm going to quests.
Yeah.
And we're expecting what new column exactly?
The flags applied on the character
I
quest.
see rewards, I see what have you, yep. Okay.
Yeah.
And then character quests. I think we're good.
So then the only other thing was this thing. We're supposed to run this right here.
Yep, let's do it.
Oh, yeah. I assume I can run it in here.
You can't.
I can't?
No. You can.
I need a new terminal or something?
Yeah, you gotta do it separately off to the side.
Normally I just do it in here.
Yeah, that's fine. That'll work in here.
Okay.
Yep.
Yes. Do your thing. I wonder if it's going to know the database, though.
Nope.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it would, because we don't have a connection to it.
Yep.
The script needs to be updated. The specific TS file needs to be updated to point.
That's right.
So
it doesn't know which database.
Right.
It's got to be like
Do you know what'd be even easier? Is if you just take the existing row and just say, give me the new structure to paste. Do you know what I mean? Than to even bother running all this. That's my personal opinion. If you just go to wherever the quest dialog stuff lives.
This right here.
Yeah.
It's on Zim. So actually, let's just take the dialogue itself for Zim.
Yep, and say turn this into whatever the fuck the shape needs to be. Yeah.
Exactly.
And it looks like there's one more guy down there too that had one too. So.
Oh, we just did a bogus thing on this.
Oh, okay, let's just but then you know what? Now we have to update all of them because they're empty arrays everywhere. So just wanted to note that in the future. So that's what the migration script would have done for us too.
What do you mean?
So if you see dialog as an empty array for all of them,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yep.
yeah, they're gonna be JSONs now, right? So
Are they going to be JSONs now?
that's what the new setup is. Yeah, they're all graphs now.
Let's see if it. How do I know which one is which?
Node is the one Claude is on. Yep. So maybe we can just say, hey, you can like drag that file into the input if you want, or you can do @ migrate MPC. Up to you.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah, you can just drag that. Yep, just plop it in.
Oh.
You could be like, this file is not referencing my Supabase. And see if that'll update it accordingly.
Oh, I was going to just instead give. I see. You want to actually do that?
Either or, because right now it's going to become a different object. So I don't mind using the migration file, or we can just say, give me the updated version for Zim, and we paste it. Up to you. That was my original one. That was before I noticed there was other things with Quest dialogue set. That was all.
Well, I'm still not sure I'm concerned about that. I guess I don't know what the concern is, whether it's an empty array or a JSON blob. It
doesn't matter yet, but it might break the code if it pops up and you go talk to like something, and then the shape is wrong because the front end adjusted for a JSON blob, right?
Let's see what it comes up with.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Bloviating.
I don't. These are all new words. Bloviating. I can't even shit on it because I don't even know what it means.
Bad.
Talk at length.
Yeah. I'm oranging bloviating.
Sure.
It's not as bad as sock hopping, but it's pretty bad.
Mm-hmm.
What did it do?
Cool. So you can just grab that object, I hope. Yep, plop them in.
I wish there was a way to copy.
Just Command-C is what I would do, right?
Oh, that's what I did. I meant, like, usually there's a little, like, icon.
I get what you mean now.
Yeah.
Cool.
No.
Oh, that's the old one. It didn't go through.
I know.
Scroll up to make sure. Okay, I'm pretty sure I know what it is.
It's because
you need a JSON formatter. 1 second.
Yeah, I can go get a JSON.
Cool.
formatter.
Yeah. He big mad about it not being correct. Let's see.
Why does it like? Oh, it's because of this, I bet.
You need to escape it somehow.
Yeah.
Okay, then I would just let's copy all that and then say update this so that there's like this is proper JSON with proper escapes. That's what I would just so we don't have to manually do it. This is going to be a huge bug when we do game creation tool and it doesn't do escapes, and yeah.
I know.
This is going to bite us later. I'm going to write that down as a linear right now.
Crafting.
Okay, let me see. What was I going to say? Issues. Update game creation tool for escapes.
How do you feel about crafting?
I'm okay with it. Everything, like I said, I'm desensitized now from all the abrasive shit.
Yeah. Crafting is a good one.
Make sure that
Oh man. It's because of the new lines. It's not because of the apostrophe.
Oh.
Because when I paste it in here, for some reason,
Hmm.
it's because of these new lines in here. That's what's
Oh,
the.
I see. Then we need to just let's just go back to the AI and say fix this shit up. Yeah.
Well, it did.
Okay, but
That,
it didn't understand new lines and stuff, right? This feels like a
well,
more
that's
for
exactly what it did.
this feels like a cursor thing now, actually.
The only fix needed was removing the straight line breaks. And so I copied this as the problem. It's a copy and paste issue.
Yeah. Maybe you could put that into cursor and just say, give this to me as a way that I can paste or something. I think then it won't be so weird.
I think I can just fix
You
this.
could.
I think. Um, Basically, wherever there's red on the right there,
Yep.
I think I can fix it.
Cool.
Probably faster than going back to cursor. Maybe, maybe not.
And I have to give you my 5 minute warning. I got to take off here in a sec.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
no more red.
Cool. That worked.
And I'm guessing. Oh, if we just delete these, we can just do nulls,
Sure. I'm cool with that.
right?
Yeah, my only hope is that the front end won't freak out at nulls, but I think it'll be fine.
As opposed to empty JSON, you think?
I
You think it should?
empty Jace. It could break on any of them. We don't know. We'll have to find out how it updated. I would hope that it gracefully fails and doesn't worry about it, but
Okay, well. So what are we doing? We're
let's
running?
run it. Let's run it on the front end, and if everything works exactly the same, we're in a good spot. Yeah, I know. I know. That's the kind of day we had. If everything works exactly the same, we're in a good spot. That's not good. Are you running the backend and stuff too in the chat service? Let's try a couple things here. Can you go to the front end and run an npmi? Let's see if any new packages got added. Yep, exactly. Just I, no dash, or you can do it right install if you do dash. Yeah, just I. Yep. Cool. Let's do an npm run dev on that one. And then let's go to the chat service. I think that should be fine. And we were running the API somewhere as well, I presume. Cool. Database. Okay, that's fine. I got it. Okay. So if you can crush this too and do an npmi, let's just do it. Let's just check all our bases. And then npm run super base on this when you're done. Yeah. Cool. And then let's figure out a way to kill your token again. Okay, well, we're good. We're a good spot. Let's go find Zim. Oh, you just muted yourself, by the way, Steve. Sorry. Yeah. Let me see. I can't unmute someone else. Which doesn't make sense. Don't I have admin here?
What the hell?
I don't know.
Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Ah.
What's the error in the server, if you could point that out? Let's see. Request freezing the server is closing. Oh, okay. Can you hit refresh on the page again? I have no fucking clue why that would happen.
Yeah.
There we go. I think. Oh,
no.
Can you go back one more time to the server? It's new. I would just copy all this and throw it into Claude again. Yeah.
But it's interesting. That's error during shutdown. It's not even during shutdown.
Yeah. I would just grab all that and say, hey, now it's failing to fetch. Mm-hmm.
But I don't think that's the issue here. Right? Because
it is still giving you a 200 status too, huh? Oh no, 503. So I would just grab this and just I would just throw into Claude, honestly, and just say, hey, something's fucked up.
Claude or Cursor?
Let's do it depends on how you feel. I would just stick with Claude because it's got the context.
Oh, come on.
Fiddle faddling. That sounds gross. I don't like it. That's pretty bad. That's worse than sock hop. This is just made up words at this point, so I would give this a hard red.
And if you need to leave, let's definitely wrap this up.
Sounds good.
Yeah. I'll continue to play around with this.
Okay. Do you want me to keep the stream up?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
I have to go work out anyway. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to work out, then come back and play around with this.
Okay, got it. I don't have any sick outros for today. I'm trying to think. I'm the one that pulled all the weeds from my neighbors today, so I guess I'd plug myself. No, let me think. I haven't been doing shit lately. I guess I'm gonna plug whoever the fuck leaked or figured out how to grab clock code off from Anthropic. Big shout out to you, homie. That's impressive.
And I'll shout out anyone who performed a joke today or something like that, since it is April Fool's Day. So good job, Claude, for doing the buddy stuff, and for anyone else who was fooled, I'm sorry.
Can we unpackage this real quick before I leave? Do you like April Fool's jokes? I hate it.
I absolutely despise it. No,
it's like we're already in the fake news era, and now it's like it's just like crazy. I'm like, God, it's like nothing is real online. It's like this is an April Fool's joke. Whatever, dude. That's another rant for another day. I hate April Fool's jokes.
I know. I've never ever liked it. I hate it to this day. Yeah. It's the worst.
It's arbitrary beyond belief. We might as well just do the real purge. We might as well just have that.
That's right. That's right. All right, my brother. I appreciate you. We'll talk.